friends, welcome to Y2 channel. In our Y2 channel, year after we are going to put English videos also. So please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon for more videos. So let's get started. In our first video, we are going to see about noun. First, we should know what is meant by noun. Noun is a word that contains person, place, things, animal or bird. They are proper noun, common noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, material noun and collective noun. We can learn briefly about all these nouns. First, we can see what is meant by a proper noun. Proper noun means it's a name of particular person, place or things. Example, Thomas Alva Edison was a scientist who invented the electric bulb. So, he is a specified person. Next example is, I ordered the laptop from Amazon. It's a specified app name. So, this is called as proper noun. Next, we can see what is meant by a common noun. Common noun is general to all person, place or thing. It will not specified. Example, we are going to play baseball in the park. In this sentence, they do not specify any park name. Pass me that book. In this also, they don't specify the book name. Next, we can learn about concrete noun. This is the nouns that can be classified from any of our senses. What are our five senses? Yes, that is taste, smell, feel, see, hear. Example, everyone likes puppy. So in this, the puppy is the concrete noun because we could able to see the puppy and we could able to hear the voice of the puppies. Next example is, pizza is one of the junk food. In this, pizza is a concrete noun because we could able to taste the pizza, we could able to see the pizza. So this belongs to the concrete noun. Next, we can learn what is meant by an abstract noun. Noun that cannot be identified from one of our five senses are called as abstract noun. For example, Yarini is very intelligent girl. In this intelligent, we could not able to touch or we could not able to see, we could not able to do anything. She is such an honest girl. Same, in honest also we could not able to touch, smell or do something in our five senses. So this is called as abstract noun. Next, we can see what is meant by a material noun. Under material noun, namely we have two categories. They are countable noun and uncountable noun. First, we can see what is meant by a countable noun. Countable noun are the things we can count. It may be singular or plural. What is meant by an uncountable noun? Uncountable noun is a things we could not able to count. They not have any plural forms. Let's see the examples for countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Countable noun example sentences. Ramesh has 8 pens. So we could able to count the pens. Second example is, I have 2 dogs. We could able to count the dog. Next, we can see some example sentences for uncountable noun. First example is, please add little bit weight of sugar. Sugar, we could not able to count amount of sugar. So this is the uncountable noun. Second example was, there is no more water in my bottle. Water. This is the uncountable noun in this sentence. Last, we can see about what is meant by a collective noun. What is meant by a collective noun? A collective noun is a name given to a group of person, animal or things. Example, a crowd of people. Group of people can called as crowd of people. An army of soldiers. We can see more examples on related to collective nouns. A collection of ships or a collection of vessels can called a fleet. Next, a collection of soldiers can be called as an army. In the examples also, we were see this. Third one, a collection of people can called as a crowd. Next, a collection of birds can called as a flock. Fifth one, a collection of animals or cattle can called as a herd. Let's see some more examples. A collection of lions can called as a pride of lions. Next, a collection of students can be called as a school. A collection of grapes can be called as a bunch of grapes. Ninth example, a collection of paper can be called as a bundle of paper. Last example is a collection of horses can be called as a stable. Thank you. I hope that you were learned. We can meet in our next video.